Learning how to use a new app can feel like you're dealing with HAL 9000. If users have to read long-winded help guides or watch boring video tutorials to get the most out of your app, they're not going to stick around. You need a tool that makes it easy to optimize your app's user experience, so users can learn how to navigate your app hassle-free. Boost user retention with in-app nudges, checklists, and product tours to show them how to use your app. Make it easy for users to access any page, feature, or article with the magic search bar. Command Bar optimizes your app's user experience with in-app nudges, magic search, and checklists so you can retain more users. Command Bar is a UX optimization platform that gives you everything you need to help users seamlessly navigate your app. Add the magic search in Command Bar to let people jump straight to the content, page, or feature they want. Today we look in Command Bar, the UX optimization platform that make your app easier to use, to activate and retain more user. Command Bar key features help users access the content and functionality they want with magic search. With the Command Bar, you can guide users with in-app prompts and checklists so they can explore specific features or review higher-level plans. You'll be able to use an app push for product tours and announcements, or to provide helpful context to confusing screen. Prepare your users for success with in-app tips. With the Help Hub widget for Command Bar, you can make your help desk easily accessible and save users the hassle of searching the internet for solutions. The widget supports natural language search, which means users can use common keywords to find exactly what they need. Enhance your in-app help desk with searchable guides, articles, and videos. Best of all, Command Bar includes pre-made skins and fine-tuned styling controls so you can create a branded, professional experience for your users. Use metadata to set user conditions, create rules based on page or element visibility, and fire events, all without any coding. You can even review searches to better understand user intent, prioritize features, and personalize support. With Command Bar, you can guide users with in-app nudges and checklists so they can explore a certain feature or check out a higher-tier plan. You'll be able to use in-app nudges for product tours and announcements, or to provide helpful context for confusing screen. Plus, you can even set up checklists for multi-step tasks that boost user activity, like creating their profile or customizing their UI. Using Command Bar's Help Hub widget, you can make your help desk accessible and save users the trouble of scouring the internet for solutions. The widget supports natural language search, which means users can find exactly what they need with general keywords. You can even respond to user inquiries with the GPT-3 integration to cut down on the workload for your support team. And because Command Bar's in-app help desk integrates popular platforms like Zendesk, WordPress, Freshdesk, it'll easily fit into your workflow. Best of all, Command Bar is packed with pre-made skins and fine-tuned styling controls, so you can create a branded, professional experience for your users. Use metadata to set user conditions, create page-based or element-visible rules, and trigger events, all without any coding. Or, you can roll up your sleeves and code your own styles and customize experiences using HTML and CSS. Your app could change lives, but only if folks figure out how to use it. That's why Command Bar uses in-app nudges, checklists, and magic search to onboard users and keep them from falling off. Help your users stick around. Get lifetime access to Command Bar today.